Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today we're setting up our 51st week, 2 weeks before end of 2024, and we're going to 2025 next year very soon. And for this week, we are using our cozy holiday kit. It's super cute. First off, I normally like to take off the date cover up stickers. I like to stick all of them on my hand. For some reason, it's a lot easier to move around the stickers. So that's one thing I like about sticking on my hand first. I'm not sure about you. Do you do that? The next step is using the skinny washi sticker. And I'm sticking the larger one, which has a really cute pattern, and stick it on my hand as well. And I'll stick the skinny washi sticker at the top on the right page. Often the time that page is left empty, but this week for the 51st week, I want to keep it a little more decorative because Christmas is coming up. So I place both of the larger sticker on the bottom left page, and then the next will be on the right. At first, I wasn't sure if I want to cover the calendar. I normally wouldn't because I like to see it, but for some reason this time I decided to cover it up. I didn't want to cover up the entire top left page because there's some information there that I want to keep. Like for instance, December 51st week. So I want to keep that information. So instead of covering up, I decided to slice a little bit sticker and keep the rest. So don't waste any of the stickers. You can definitely still use it. And here I brought out my Tombow marker in green. I color at the very top to add some green color. And then here I decided to, which sticker should I use to set up my right page? Should I start writing this week? Nah, I decided to, color in a little circle dot at the top. And this space will be used for my habit tracking. And kind of add some color to the days. Normally I just write Monday to Sunday, kept it very basic and plain, but this time trying something different. Add some color to behind my days, and here I'm writing out from Monday to Sunday with the initial letters. And here I was mentioning about reusing the sticker. Like, don't waste it, place it somewhere. So here I decided to divide the page in half kind of. So use that sticker, such a good opportunity. Here I decided to write this week. So the rest of the page is where I'll be tracking like pending information or this week's that I need to do. But this area is where I mainly to keep track and brain dump things I need to do. If it's ideas, I normally write like a little I on the left column to indicate information. Right about here is where I write out all the days from 16 to 22nd. I can't believe it. We're still very close. So this is the overall how I set up my first week. I hope you enjoy this spread. It's so festive. Love this design. It's perfect for Christmas. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Hit to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. Bye planner friends.